My name is Chuta Tofu. Welcome to AK Town. I am the mascot of KOA's exhibition. Have fun. Hello, my name is Chuta Tofu. Welcome to ICS AK Town. I am the mascot of KOA's exhibition. Have fun. Hello, my name is Chuta Tofu.
Next level biology transplant.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. How are you? Yeah. Well, we have a fantastic evening. So this is our ATM machine. It's manual. It's fully handmade. So all the materials we have used for this are completely recycled, biodegradable. Yes. Not at all harmful to the environment.
And the first ATM machine was invented on June 27, 1967 by the Barclay Bank. And the fun fact about it is, it was inaugurated by the famous actor back in those days, Reg Warne. You might also know about it.
History of ATM machine. This is the history of ATM machine here.
And this here we see the concept of ATM machine, everything. How the credit cards were invented and everything. So that's how it works. Here you go the card, you might swipe it. Type in your secret number. Place it down the someone place it down the and please put down the cash. Yeah, that's how it works.
What was the other project?
Thank you. This is.
What is this?
These are the conic sections. So it's just a visual representation of the conic sections. What is conic sections? What are conic sections? Yeah, conic sections are basically when you intersect a cone with a plane, you get different kinds of shapes. Okay? So the first shape is that when you intersect the cone with the plane, parallel to its base, you get a shape called circle. Right? And then when you intersect it slightly slanting to its base, then you get a shape called ellipse. It's like an oval shape. Right? And then when you cut it perpendicular to the base, you get the shape called hyperbola. Right? And then when you cut it slanting parallel to its slant height, you get it a parabola. So basically, I've connected this one to the laws of Kepler. So Kepler's law says that the laws of the path of the conic section, the path of the planetary objects have the shape of the conic sections. Okay? So when you see here, this one is having a shape of circle, right? The moon and the earth. So like that. And this is a parabola, and this is a non-periodic comet. It never comes back to its starting point. It's a comet, okay? So when it started from here, it never comes back. So it creates a shape like parabola. So,
Okay, thank you.
Here നമുക്ക് ഒരു പിരമിഡിന്റെ രൂപത്തിൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ആ പിരമിഡിന്റെ പേരാണ് ഹൈറാർക്കി ഓഫ് നീഡ്സ്. In hierarchy of needs, first so this is physiological, the first basic need which a human really needs: food, shelter, water, etc. And only if you get that, really, if you think as a human, only if you get that, you will go to the next level, which is safety needs, which is like job, salary, wealth, etc. Okay, and then if you get that and if you are satisfied with it, you will go to the next level, which is very, very important for a human, which is family's love, your partner's love, and your friends' love, teachers' love, and then care, protection is very important. Okay, and then if you achieve it, we'll go to the next level, which is I'll pass it on to my friend David.
Yeah, self-esteem. This is after we achieve all of this, a person wants self-esteem. Okay? That's self-worth, self-respect. Okay? In society, they want respect. And after they achieve this and they're satisfied with this, okay, most people end it over here. I mean, not end it, but they don't reach this level. Right? They're satisfied at this level. But some people, they reach self-actualization, which is the topmost level. After we achieve all of this,
Potential.
yeah,
Being at the top of
highest potential. So that is self-actualization.
And most of us, as I said, we limit it to either our mental happiness or like self-esteem. Many few of us try to go to self-actualization. Like our leaders or it actually works like when you clap, the vibration is gonna be taken inside and like acts like a switch, like blocks it or like takes the charge off. So like yeah. So this connection is for the bulb and this is for the circuit. The battery is for the circuit and this is for the bulb only. Thank you.
On the basis of the time period in which the organisms live, it's divided into three: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Yeah, so the So Paleozoic era actually got with the fragile by break. If you can move on.
convert it into 12 watt. Then the current will go to the circuit board, then the sensor, then the sensor will start working, then the sensor can trigger the IC can drive the transistor, and the transistor can make the relay on. The relay can on the relay is connected to the relay.